One morning in January, I stepped on the scale. When I saw the numbers, my heart literally sank. Couldn't help it. I'd reached my breaking point. I'm Sarah, and I'm 39 years old. I'm a 9-to-5 working mother with 2 wonderful children and a caring husband. Today, I decided to share something really personal about myself because I don't want anyone to go through what I did. I've been on a super strict diet for nearly 1 month, so I desperately hope to see some magical numbers. Wrong. I stepped on the scale. 191 pounds. I know it might seem a bit absurd for some of you, but there are no words to explain how miserable I felt. And that's not even the worst part of it. The following weekend, after my scale incident, we were celebrating my goddaughter's 8th birthday party. I've been working all day at the office, and after work, I had to help arrange the whole party for her. No need to say, I was exhausted. And when the party started, I was barely standing on my feet. While everyone was having a great time, I decided to sit down and relax for a few minutes. Without even thinking, I sat down on the beanbag chair. As soon as I did it, I realized I made a terrible mistake. I sank way down into it. After a hard day, my legs got weak and my weight was pushing me down. I couldn't get up. I tried not to create a scene, and I tried to stand up myself, but soon everyone in the room noticed my desperate attempt to get up from this frickin' beanbag. My husband was in the kitchen, so I was left all alone with the kids. My goddaughter came to me, trying to help me stand up. But just imagine a lean 8-year-old trying to lift a 191-pound woman. Her face was burning from embarrassment, and she kept repeating and basically begging, "Come on, please, stand up." I heard her friends laughing. It was degrading. I was heartbroken. Not only did I embarrass myself, but I also embarrassed my goddaughter. I understood that I couldn't live like this anymore. I wanted to live my life fully, to be there for my family, to be able to play with my children, and not to feel miserable. I wished so badly to lose all this weight that was literally dragging me down. You see, I've been overweight most of my life, from my early teen years till I gave birth to my 2nd child. All these years, I've been trying to lose weight. I tried every diet out there. The Atkins diet, paleo diet, cleanse diets, raw food diet, etc., etc. Just don't laugh, I even tried hypnosis. You name it, I tried it, but the results were always the same. I would lose a few pounds, and every time I would give myself a small break, the weight would come right back on. So I started to fear food. I tend not to eat enough, then I would starve, and then I would binge. Fail after fail, I became demotivated because I was failing to reach my goals fast. I was so tired of worrying about the right foods, the wrong foods, how much food to eat, when to eat. God, it was a freaking roller coaster. Don't get me wrong, I don't want you to feel sorry for me in any way, but I know you might be struggling with similar problems, and I want you to pay attention because all of my struggles are way in the past. I'm going to share a simple weight loss solution that has helped me drop pounds and live a happier, healthier, and more energetic life without crazy dieting, feeling hungry, or cutting out the foods I love. It is especially effective if you're over 40 because as you age, your metabolism starts to slow down and it gets super hard to lose weight. But this particular weight loss method can boost your metabolism by up to 14% and increases fat burning at the same time. So here's what happened that helped me melt away all this unnecessary weight. After my pure nightmare during my goddaughter's birthday, I met a friend whom I haven't seen in a while. And she looked stunning. She lost loads of weight and I was so jealous. She told me that her doctor recommended a personalized intermittent fasting plan from Do Fasting. It wasn't the regular one-size-fits-all approach like other diets. She said professional nutritionists personalize everything for you based on your daily schedule, eating preferences, age, weight, and so on. Even though she looked amazing, I was still skeptical about it. Hearing the word fasting sounded like another starvation diet without any positive results. But I was surprised that intermittent fasting isn't so much about what you eat or eliminating certain foods, but about when you eat. It doesn't make you hungry, it adjusts to your lifestyle and actually saves time. So I tried to give it a shot and I signed up for Do Fasting's plan. So how did it go? When I got on the scale after the first week, I was shocked. I lost 5 pounds. After all these crazy diets, I couldn't believe that I managed to lose so much weight without actually torturing myself. I'm not gonna lie, when I first signed up for Do Fasting, I was scared that I was gonna feel hungry all the time. But I went through the first week without any problems. I didn't feel hungry or restricted like with other diets I tried before. I knew exactly when to start my fast and end my fast, how much water I should drink throughout the day, and professional nutritionists even prepared a personalized meal plan with all the foods I like. I didn't have to think about what or how much to eat. I could even join the challenges that helped me reach my goals even faster. You can choose a fasting routine that fits your current lifestyle. Plus, it guides you through the process every step of the way, so you're never alone on your weight loss journey. It's been 3 months now, and I've already lost 44 pounds. I've never felt happier or healthier. I can finally spend some quality time with my family and friends. And yeah, that beanbag chair doesn't feel like such an abyss to me anymore. If you want to step into a completely different life, just like I did, check the description below this video where you'll find a special offer for a personalized do fasting plan.